Now on 60-second booze reviews, Lyme Bay Chilli Mead. So for those of you who don't know, Lyme Bay is a small winery based in Devon in South England. Really nice, they make lots of fruit wines, they also make some sweet styles of mead. Here we have their chili mead. So this is quite interesting, it's a sweet style, it's 11% ABV. I would consider this not necessarily a flavoured mead, but more with a traditional mead with a hint of flavour. I think when you hear the word chili, you expect something that's really spicy and powerful. Actually, this is a bit more subdued than that. It's a bit more kind of, you get more vegetal chili notes and more like green pepper rather than, bird's eye chili, spicy kind of style. And that I do actually think makes it a really nice mead. It isn't a gimmick, it isn't something to just blow your socks off. It is really nice, subdued and light. I think it'd be great for drinking on its own. I couldn't see you mixing this really. You could try, but for me personally, I think it's something you want on its own at room temperature. And that's Lyme Bay Chilli Mead.